As we mentioned previously during the strip down of this Series 2, the block will go away for acid dipping to clear all water galleries. We've started to knock out the core plugs prior to this being sent away, and as can physically be seen, this is the reason for acid dipping the blocks, etc., for clearing all the original waterways, because there is no way any water has been travelling around the back of this block to keep it cool. The engine was obviously on a one-way trip, and you can see why this is a necessary process for something of its age. As you can see, the plug that we've just removed, we had to get cherry red. This is actually for the brake heater for the cars and engines that were in really cold countries. You could have a heater bolted onto the side of the block, and it has had some serious heat to be able to get that freed up. Again, proving a complete necessity. Just look at everything, and it's starting to burn me finger there. Just look at everything that is gathered in there.